Today I am reviewing the JBL PartyBox 110. If at any time you'd like to explore this speaker for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a party speaker that can truly light up your event, both literally and sonically, then the JBL PartyBox 110 might just be the speaker of your dreams. In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know, from sound performance and battery life, to the lighting effects, app support, and overall user experience. Let's start with the most important thing, the sound. The JBL PartyBox 110 delivers 160 watts of JBL Original Pro sound, and believe me, it's more than just a number. This speaker gets loud, and I mean seriously loud, without sacrificing clarity. Whether you're playing electronic dance music, hip-hop, rock, or even podcast audio, everything comes through clean and crisp. And the bass? It's deep, punchy, and adjustable. You get two bass levels to choose from, so whether you like it mellow or earth-shaking, there's an option for you. Now, let's talk design and portability. The PartyBox 110 is bold and rugged. It looks like it's ready to party, with an angular design, RGB lights built in, and a convenient carry handle. It's large enough to make an impact, but not so bulky that it's a pain to move. Whether you're throwing a backyard barbecue or tailgating at a game, the PartyBox 110 is built to move with you. And it's not just for looks, it's also IPX4 splash-proof, which means a spilled drink or a few splashes from the pool aren't going to stop the music. You don't have to stress if the weather turns or someone gets a little too wild with the water balloons. This speaker is tough and ready for anything. Next up, battery life. JBL claims up to 12 hours of playtime, and from real-world use, that holds up pretty well. Of course, if you're blasting music at full volume with all the lights on, you might get a bit less. But for most casual or even extended parties, this speaker won't leave you hanging. Plus, it charges via a standard AC power cable, so you can keep it plugged in if you're near an outlet. One of the most fun features of the PartyBox 110 is the customizable light show. The speaker includes dynamic light rings that pulse and dance in sync with the beat. The lights are bright, colorful, and completely customizable using the JBL PartyBox app. This app lets you control your music, tweak settings, and personalize the light effects to suit the mood, whether it's chill ambient vibes or full-on rave mode. The combination of audio and visuals makes the PartyBox 110 more than a speaker. It's an experience. In terms of connectivity, it's solid and versatile. You get Bluetooth, AUX input, USB playback, and even dual guitar or mic inputs. Yes, that's right. You can plug in a guitar and use it as a mini amp, or add a microphone and turn it into a full karaoke machine. This makes it ideal for everything from jam sessions and open mic nights to family parties and events. The Bluetooth pairing is fast and stable, and you can even pair two PartyBox 110s together for true stereo sound, which really fills a space. What's also worth noting is the PartyBox app integration. With the app, you can control lighting patterns, adjust sound levels, and even switch between audio sources. It's intuitive, modern, and a nice step forward from previous JBL models that relied only on physical controls. That said, the physical buttons on the speaker are tactile and easy to use if you don't want to pull out your phone. To sum it all up, is the JBL PartyBox 110 worth it? If you're serious about entertaining, hosting parties, or just want a premium portable speaker with amazing sound and visuals, then the answer is a big yes. It delivers booming sound, dazzling lights, flexible input options, and all-day battery life in a tough, portable shell. For its price point, it's hard to beat. You get JBL's signature sound, a splash-proof design, built-in party lights, and tons of features that make it the life of the party. Literally. So, if you're looking to upgrade your party gear in 2025, the JBL PartyBox 110 is one of the best buys out there.